Hi sir, myself Ranjit Kumar and I am here to take on my selfie seminar of about difference between macro and microeconomics. First, first we have to know about the term microeconomics. The study of economics is divided into two parts, micro and macro. First, macro is a Greek word known microns and means small in size. It deals with the behavior of individual actors in the economy. It can mean one customer and one household, one farm and one industry, and 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 so microeconomics deals with individual parts of the economy. For example, in the country, unemployment rate changes in price and goods or inflation, national income, which is often referred as GDP. And comes to macroeconomics. In macroeconomics, or what happened if money supply increases, what causes the economy to grow over time. So in a nutshell, macroeconomics studies the economy as whole. When you hear macroeconomics, think big, and also the macro and micro are interrelated. In macroeconomics, the interest rate goes down. Uh, uh, and also microeconomics talks about the actions of an individual unit, example an individual firm, household, market, industry, etc. Macroeconomics studies the economy as a whole. That means microeconomics deals with an single one as an individual, and macroeconomics studies with uh, whole whole economies, not a single unit. And then microeconomics is the branch of economics that studies the behavior of an individual consumer, firm, family is known as microeconomics. And comes to macroeconomics. Macroeconomics is the branch of economics that studies the behavior of whole economy, as we seen before slide. And the difference between macro and microeconomics are: microeconomics deals with individual economics variables. Macroeconomics deals with aggregate economic variables. These are the difference. Major difference comes to business application. Macroeconomics is applied to operational or internal issue. Macroeconomics, environment and external issue. These are the issues faced in macro and microeconomics. That means in microeconomics applied to operational or internal issue. This is macroeconomics is an external issue. These are the major issues in macro and microeconomics. Comes to tools. In microeconomics is the tool is demand and supply, and macroeconomics tool is aggregate demand and aggregate supply. Assumption of microeconomics. In microeconomics, the macroeconomics variables are constant, and in macroeconomics, it will be like an interchange. That means in microeconomics, the macroeconomics will be constant, and in macroeconomics, the microeconomics variables should be constant. The microeconomics theories are theory of product pricing, theory of actor pricing, theory of economic welfare. And in macroeconomics, theory of macroeconomics are theory of national income, theory of aggregate consumption, theory of general price level, economic growth. These are the theories. And scopes in microeconomics and macroeconomics are: in microeconomics it covers various issues, like demand issue, supply issue, demand issue, supply issue, product pricing, factor pricing. These are like that, etc. These are the issues faced in microeconomics. And in comes to macroeconomics, the issues are national income, general price level, distribution, employment, money, etc. These are the issues in macroeconomics. And importance of microeconomics are it is helpful in determining the prices of a product along with the prices of factor of production, that means land, labor, capital, entrepreneur, etc. And the importance of macroeconomics are it maintains stability in the general price level and resolve the major problems of the economy like inflation, deflation, reflection, unemployment, and poverty as a whole. These are the uh, maintain stability in in macroeconomics. And comes to limitation, limitation of microeconomics are based on unrealistic assumption. That means no constant assumptions, like in microeconomics it is assumed that there is a full employment in the society, which is not at all possible. That means that there is no any guarantee of which is not all at the possible full employment. And the limitation of macroeconomics, it has been analyzed the fallacy of composition involved, which sometimes doesn't prove true, because it is possible that what is true for aggregate may not be true for individual too. And then conclusion of macro and microeconomics are it's like a coin. That means coin has two faces, like that macro and microeconomics are two faces, like head and tail. Every coin has a two aspects. Micro and microeconomics are the two aspects of the same coin. Also they cover the whole economy of a country. Remember, this is an important point, that which makes them different is the area of application. That's all about my selfish seminar. Thank you, sir.